As part of the Phase 5.5 release, Hire2Retire can now support integrations involving multiple Active Directory domains in one workflow. Here is how you can set up a multi-domain workflow in Hire2Retire. You'll be able to enable a multi-domain workflow in the Applications section of the Hire2Retire core tab. After you've selected your HR system, data integration method, and identity management solution, you'll see a checkbox where you can enable a multi-domain controller for your workflow. From there, when you set up your Active Directory connection, you'll be able to insert multiple domains into one connection. And it can be as many domains as you need. From there, along with completing the rest of the Hire2Retire core setup, you'll be able to dynamically assign organizational units, security groups, and distribution lists for each of the connected domains and customize them to fit the exact needs of your specific domain so that you can assign employees into the correct groupings based on their role. Whether your business has multiple AD domains because of different locations or brand subsidiaries, this enterprise-grade feature will efficiently and automatically manage employee lifecycle events in one simple workflow so you can focus on growing your business.